Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. Today is part of Tuesday's tutorials. So in these videos, basically what I do is I just go over one little trading tutorial once a week, and it's every Tuesday, so keep watching out for that. I've got the Bitcoin tip jar right here. You can tip me if you like. And yeah, so let's just get right into this here. Let's see here. Today's video is going to be on how to check and see if you're profiting or what your profit loss is on a certain coin that you've been trading. So let's say that I've been trading for example, Ethereum Classic, which I have, and so I'm logged into Poloniex. This is Poloniex.com. It's a free cryptocurrency exchange, and it's a pretty good one. It averages most of the volumes. Most of the money is coming in through this exchange, and they keep a lot of good updated coins, and it's usually a pretty healthy marketplace. So yeah, this is Poloniex.com. If you've never heard of it, you can go ahead and sign up. But this tutorial is going to be how to check your profit loss on different coins. So if we go over to orders, and then you go under my trade history and analysis, up here on the top right once you're logged in, and you might be in nighttime mode, you can switch that up here in the top right also. And you can see all of your trade history. Every single trade you've ever made is right here. You can export it. You can export it as I believe it's what file? It's a CSV file. So if you want to open that up in Excel or whatever, then you can get data from that, which I actually plan on making a template for an Excel CSV Poloniex trade history thing down the road, so that you guys can just download your history and see all of your profit loss really easily. So be watching out for that. But yeah, let's look for a coin. So if you go up here on the top right under the coin tab right here, and you can change between the different markets, but obviously I'm just going to look at the Bitcoin markets today. And if we want to look at ETC, we just type in ETC and press enter, or press analyze, excuse me, and it will tell you your average buy price and your average sell price, how much you've bought and how much you've sold. So as you can see, I've bought over $200 worth of Ethereum Classic, and I've sold over $200 worth of Ethereum Classic. And that was all at profit, and I made a profit of, let's see what this comes out to US currency, probably about like $72. So I came out on top, yeah, exactly 72, just my luck. So I made $72 off trading Ethereum Classic. And it's pretty useful to be able to know how to do that. You can show buys only, so you can see what your average buy price was, or you could see sells only. Or if you want to check your loan earnings, you can check your loan earnings, but that's for another video, because I'm going to be making an in-depth lending on Poloniex video down the road. Now let's check out a trade that I might not have profited on. If I remember right, in this account I did not profit off trading Ethereum. So let's just go ahead and analyze this. Ooh, it looks like I had about $30 in a loss, about $28 loss here in Ethereum. So you can go through and you can calculate all the coins that you're used to trading, or the ones that you know you've traded, or you can export your history. Yeah, it's about $30. And you can sit here and literally just figure out all of your profit loss. And it's very effective. It's very useful. I use it quite often. It's just a good way to check make sure that you're still on the right track. You can also see, it shows you every single buy and sell. So if you see an area where you may have entered a market or the settlement fees, it gives you all of that type of information. And so, yep, it's a pretty useful tool, and it's just poloniex.com/trade history. Now, of course, this only works for the Poloniex exchange. So this only works if you're using Poloniex as your main exchange, like I do. I use Poloniex and TradingView, and I've been playing around with Coinigy a little bit, so maybe we'll see some stuff on that down the road. But yeah, that's basically today's video, is how to check, see if you've made profit or loss in your trading. You can also go down to my trade. Excuse me. Under any market, you can go down to My Trades right here, and it will tell you also your complete trade history on that. It brings you to the same tab here. So that's a really useful tool. Definitely one that I highly recommend using. One of the reasons it's good to start with only trading a few coins at the start is because it can kind of get complicated if you don't know how to write up Excel documents and stuff like that. It helps if you just keep it really simple, so you only have to look through just a few coins here that you've been trading in and out of, and that's what I recommend. But yeah, it's a pretty useful tool. I like to use it. Here is an idea I had on Bitcoin. You can go ahead and follow me on TradingView, Dallin_Anderson. And I just wanted to point out this long-term idea that I seen in Bitcoin, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this idea, or comment on it if you like. I would really appreciate that. But basically what I've done here is, well, let me just point some things out here. I'll just go into edit mode, edit idea. Update idea, maybe that. No, that's not it. Come on, Dallin, use this every day. Why can't you get into this? Maybe if I just click this, it'll bring it up. Interactive chart. My internet's kind of slow today. Oh, MadeSafe. Wow. Nothing against MadeSafe. Oh, speaking of which. Oh. Alright. What's lagging at my computer so badly right now? Something is kind of just causing this to hate itself. Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on, computer. Oh, you can follow me on Twitter too, by the way. If you want, you can definitely follow me on Twitter. Alright, so let's get this interactive chart working. Come on. Sorry guys, I apologize for this. Normally TradingView is a lot better about these charts. That's why I use it, is because Poloniex's charts get so lagged out. But right now I'm having the opposite issue. Maybe I should just close out of Poloniex for a second here. Just close out of all these tabs here. And open a new. Wow. It wouldn't even let me close out of TradingView. Open a new TradingView tab. Oh, internet, and oh, computers, and oh, Windows. Yeah, I cannot wait until I get my dual boot back on this computer. So probably gonna do that sometime this week. So you might start seeing high resolution Linux uploads, where I'm uploading on my Linux distribution. Alright, so yeah, sorry about that wait. Let's look at Bitcoin, just because I wanted to point this out. This has nothing to do with trade history or analysis or the tutorial today, but I did want to point out this move inside of Bitcoin, because it's pretty important. Come on, it's pretty important to be paying attention to these moves right now. Oh, and also if we go check out the coin, I'm just gonna do a quick market, round up. Nothing crazy, but if you look here, we have just under 500 million, so just shy of $500 million in 24-hour volume, and our market cap has already recovered back up to 25 billion. So obviously, as I've already talked about, the money is leaving the US dollar. That's the key factor involved here. Alright, this is becoming a serious problem. TradingView isn't working for me right now, and I don't know why. I may have to restart my computer. But yeah, you can go ahead and follow me on TradingView. So that was a wild goose chase. To check out my Bitcoin thoughts, I'll just do a quick Bitcoin thought right here on Crypto Watch for you guys, since I know you guys love it when I do the Bitcoin run over. So I am using the different candlesticks too, the Heiken Aishi, and that's just because I honestly feel like they give me better entry points. I feel like I can see my entry prices better. So basically what's been happening in Bitcoin is an exponential trend, obviously. I was telling people to buy Bitcoin basically since the beginning around here, that this trend started to become exponential. And I was buying Bitcoin around here, not even realizing that I was getting it at such a good price. I wish I would have kept them all, you know. Not been dumb and traded them off all into dumping alts. I didn't know what I was doing at the time, but that's irrelevant. I think that Bitcoin is going to go up to at least the 1536 range. So let me show you where I mean by that. The 1536 range. Come on, scroll mouse. Well, I cannot get it to scroll. Wow, I'm having all kinds of troubles today, huh? I cannot get it to scroll above this area right here. But it would not surprise me if Bitcoin goes to 1536, and the reason is because that's its pitchfork resistance. And go ahead and follow me on TradingView, and I will show you you can go and look at my idea, my chart, and see why I think that Bitcoin isn't done running. I also think that it'll affect the price of altcoins quite significantly. So I wanted to point that out for you guys because it's pretty crucial as to the direction of where these cryptocurrencies are going in the next little while. But yeah, as always, I really appreciate you guys tuning in for today's video, and I hope that you learned something. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me at highaltitudeinvesting@gmail.com. I have a website, highaltitudeinvesting.com. You can also get a hold of me on Twitter at highaltitudeinv, or you can get a hold of me on Instagram or follow me on Instagram at wavestopmusic, or you can go ahead and check out the music that I write on soundcloud.com/Dallin Anderson. So I know I just plugged a whole bunch of links right there for you guys, but yeah, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay profitable.